morning, good afternoon, good evening. Get this camera stand here. Just out here in the backyard, guys. Right. Hey guys, just out here in the backyard with some fruits. I got chill and eat some. What do you guys call this? Permission? Permission? Some, right? Call them my favorite fruit. Alright, so. And I also have this nice papaya here. So yes, guys, we're just chilling in the backyard. I eat some fruits. Today is Sunday. Chill day for a Sunday, you know. Usually just chill on a Sunday, recoup, get ready for work on a Monday. You know, can move this out there. Recoup for work on the Mondays. So I'm just chilling here, having some of my favorite fruits. Yes, man. Welcome to the one person who is on here. You know, the core. Of course. Say hi to the live.
Hi.
It's my daughter here, guys. Where are you? Where's Ari?
In the house.
Okay. Tell her she can come try peace. Yes, guys. Favorite fruit right here. So, just see who's on the live. Come down so I can see what's going on. Nice day. Nice day out here in Texas, guys. Look at that. Beautiful, right? Want some more? You don't like it too much?
Not so much.
I really like it. Well, I love it. Want papaya? Want to peel it?
Is it because I have a gun?
Here you go. Okay.
JJ gave it to me.
Okay.
Hi.
I love it though.
Make sure you subscribe to Gabby's Fun channel.
Yes, guys, the weather real nice right now. Really nice. I was showing you guys outside. Very nice weather. Nice blue skies. Temperature is around, probably say 75. Yeah, nice weather. Between 75 and 80. I can look it up real quick. Nice weather here in Texas. Nice chill vibe. Can enjoy the backyard. Nice and not too hot, cool. Really relax and enjoy. Who's on the live? Comment, let me see who's here, man. Leave a comment down there, let me see who's watching. I send some big ups. To big up everybody, you know, guys, cause right now, really appreciate, really appreciate you guys tuning in and helping me reach 2K subscribers, guys. In a couple months, I started this YouTube journey, and here I am sitting at 2K subscribers. Some might say 2K subscribers is not a lot, but to me, 2K subscribers is like 2 billion. Yeah, because I started out with 0, and I am very grateful. So to each and everyone who decided to subscribe and help to share the videos with friends and family, really do appreciate it, guys. Put a lot of effort, you know, in these productions, trying to make them better and better with each with each video, you know. Just trying to grow, learn how it works. So really want to say thank you, guys. Nice, cool day. Guys, you're gonna hear me say that a lot because I haven't enjoyed this backyard like this in a while. And it's getting cooler, and I really love it, man. Really love it. Wish you guys could be back here enjoying, feeling this nice cool breeze. You know? Hey, come back.
Yeah. If you're in Texas, go outside because it's cool.
Mm-hmm.
In Texas.
Cool and nice, right?
It's warm. Not too hot, not too cold, just right.
Just right. She said just right. You know when you hear those words, nothing beats just right.
Just how that's just right.
This is just ripe. She said this is just right. Who's this now? Ariana. Come say hi to the light.
She's going to make a
Say.
new video.
Say hi.
Hi.
You wanna try some?
Yeah,
Or you have gum?
I have gum. I can take it out. It's still going to be nice.
This one is different. This one is a little bit hard.
A little bit hard.
You just gotta put your tongue on there. That's it.
Yeah. I like chunks of gum.
Mm.
When I like breathe in with my mouth, it's kind of cold. Because I'm
It's a type of gum.
Like you eat gum and you do this, it's really good.
It's really cold.
Yeah.
Is there anything like a minty flavor?
Yeah. Just like the toothpaste yesterday. Chewed. That's why.
Like toothpaste?
It does not make you bleed.
Okay. Are you guys watching TV or what?
Say's watching it, but you said that you watched something on the TV, and Say's watching it, and I wanted to watch it, so Gabby didn't tell us where's the remote, and she hid it, and they said, don't
TV
do
in your
that
room?
again. That's not funny.
Daddy said if you get the remote, he will give you the outside. They didn't get it.
And I said, let's see if I do the remote.
Hey guys.
I said, don't do that again. That's not funny.
You told him that's not funny?
Yeah.
Here it is, guys. Yeah man, this is the plate, just chilling and eating some fruits.
And
It's me and the two young girls.
did you know why I said subscribe to Gabby's Fun Tube? Who do I look like? Gabby Fun Tube.
Who do you look like?
Gabby.
Oh, is it Gabby?
Yeah. And I am Ice World. She's gonna make a new video. Yeah. I'm her sister. Yeah.
Hmm. Nicola, what them fruits your name again? What them name again? I can't pronounce it. Persimmon. I say Permission. Persimmon, guys. Could I remember how to pronounce it?
And he's my dad from Sweet Mount Kitchen. Obviously, you saw me all the time in his videos sometimes, just sometimes, and my sister Ariana. I am 5 and she's 7. I grew up because she's a 6. Make sure you watch that video when it's my birthday. I need to make another birthday video, but if you want me to, comment down below on Gabby's Fun Tube.
She said to comment down below on Gabby's Fun Tube.
Yeah, if you want me to make a birthday video.
So
Or mine. Because
She's here on the live promoting her channel. You see that, guys?
this is my video.
Hmm?
Because I don't have one.
Hmm?
This is my video because I'll have one. We're not on a video, we're just on
Guys, this fruit very sweet.
like
I can't describe the taste to compare it with anything else. It's just a unique taste,
if
and
you,
it has its own sweetness.
But
Yes?
Daddy, if you bite it, it's legal.
If I bite it,
Yeah.
that's why I'm biting it. But you're just
Licking it. Wait, I don't think so.
the first one was sweeter because it was more ripe.
Yeah.
It was riper.
But this one, no.
So outside. Nice, pretty skies. So that's my view, guys. Sitting out and looking at the nice blue sky here.
And our swings are chilling. You definitely can't see.
As I take my nice little relaxing vibe. This is where I sit sometime and edit the videos back here. Just chill.
Swing out here.
Yeah. While the girls play, I'm here
On a
editing a video or two, or just to read. What a nice little chill vibe.
And make sure you check out that cooking video. It's one of my new videos. And my dad putting a Fantos video on his, and he said that he's going to put it on our video.
The audio quality might change, guys. I'm plugging out the microphone. This charger in. Alright, Gabby, wanna go on now? I'm gonna play. Yes, guys. Alright, girls. And here I am by myself chilling. I'm going to peel this papaya right now. Well, I'm gonna peel just a half of it, maybe a quarter. Persimmon kinda fold me up a little bit. Look at this, guys. Oh, nice and pretty. Look at the color. Well ripe. Well ripe, guys. Peel it right now. You guys can see where I'm going. I heard there was some health benefits. I need to research it better before about eating a couple of the seeds from the papaya. Not sure how true it is. Like I said, I need to do my research on it, but I'm pretty sure I heard there were benefits. You know, got this one here from our local store, not one of the big box, one of our local stores where I got this papaya. This one's sweet, guys. Papaya, well sweet. See that? Nice and juicy. Nice and juicy, guys. Tell JJ come here, Gabby. Tell JJ come here. Him say he want some papa. Nice, juicy, sweet papaya, guys.
We have another one, guys.
JJ there. Come. You want more than this? You want me to peel it?
Okay.
Okay, save it then. I mean, you can take up this too. Just put them away. Never know, say never dog eat, you know. Because I don't want no more papaya right now.
Is that sweet? Is this sweet?
You want to try it?
No.
Why not?
Her name is Unicorn because she is a unicorn.
You want to try this? Sorry?
No. And she is a unicorn. She has wings, so you press her foot. It does do this. But it don't work.
Nice and sweet.
Get this black glass plate. I never saw that.
Nice and sweet. This plate, Gabby? We've had this plate before you were born.
Oh, yeah, we were.
Ari, you were not even born yet.
But I still know.
You still know?
Yeah.
Persimmon, guys. Back to my persimmon.
You like it, Dad?
You sound
I
like
love
in that granny that when you were alive.
But Dad, how old are you again?
25.
Oh, yeah.
No, you're not.
And how old is he?
Careful, don't kick.
How old is he?
I don't know, but I remember he said something.
No, he's 25. He's
Just
25.
How old is mommy?
8.
That's a kid age.
She is a little the unicorn, but she's adoring.
Alright. After this, I'm gonna do some reading, and we'll probably watch a movie later, right?
I really want to watch the Megamind again, Dad.
Mega Man?
Yeah.
Always a good one.
Yeah, but I didn't get to watch the end. I really want to watch.
Did you fall asleep?
Yeah. I really want to watch Elemental. Never watched Elemental before.
Okay.
And we already watched Megamind already. Remember the next day when you fell asleep? We watched it.
Megamind?
The end.
Yeah, but I didn't. No, I didn't. I fell asleep again. Right, Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
I was sleepy, okay?
You were sleeping.
Yeah. Sorry to scare you.
You're the first one who falls asleep.
Me.
Do you know Ari's the first one who falls asleep?
Mm-hmm.
And then
Every
Mom.
time.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
why she's not tired at bedtime because she sleep in the daytime. That's why she's not sleeping.
But sometimes I sleep in the daytime.
Sometimes.
Guys, if you're on live right now,
Daddy, they can't see you.
guys, if you're it's okay, it's okay. Guys, if you're on live right now and you could see my sister's finger, do you know why this is on it?
Because I took my finger.
She stuck her
Mm-hmm. Don't tell everybody her business like that.
Daddy, shut up.
No, not nice.
Daddy, what are these
Mm-mm.
dots? Those little dots on your face.
Get off my life now. Just let me chill, alright? Let daddy relax. Okay? Yes, guys, beautiful Sunday afternoon. 1:17. That was very fast. 1:17 p.m. No yet. And I'm out in the backyard chilling.
Daddy, the water tastes weird.
Okay, pour it out.
No, it's because it has gum. It's mint.
Oh, the gum? Okay, yeah, that'll happen. It's my longest live yet. 23 minutes. Wow. Yeah, when it gets to 25 minutes, I'm going to end the live.
That's good.
That's good.
It's not.
Nice breeze blowing back here. Nice
Guys,
vibes.
if your dad or your baby locked the door on you in the garage, you can get you're going to die.
Harry, what's that? You're watching too much YouTube.
It's because heat stroke. Remember our garage is hot?
Yes, if you get locked in the garage, you shouldn't get locked in the garage because you shouldn't be in there. You should get out of the car and get in the house, right?
Quick.
And get in there and get in the car and get out.
If you blink in the car and somebody's in the garage door is not locked, and somebody come in your house,
They're gonna steal.
Let me taste it.
come over here.
Hmm?
I'll take care of your life.
The life is okay. We're up 25 minutes now.
Oh, that's good.
25 minutes on the
What
live.
happened?
I turned the cameras
Daddy,
to show the nice, beautiful sky.
Daddy, so the one get the food. Why?
Nice one.
Tastes good.
Daddy, they can see you.
Careful.
Daddy, mommy said don't flip backwards.
Gabby's out there swinging. She wrapped up some of the chains so that the swings got higher. So she has to climb up now to swing.
Okay.
Careful. Careful. Why are you keeping my camera stand?
I'm 5, and my sister is 7. She's almost 8. She's almost 8 and then 9.
Alright. Alright guys, 26 minutes. It's just me chilling back here eating some fruits.
What is
The
it?
time?
Right there.
Yeah, that's right there where you see the word live in red and then the time beside it. Right?
Mhm.
So
I
that's
thought that it was 2-2. I mean 1-2.
1, 2?
Yeah.
No.
But
Oh, it was 2, 2?
Yeah.
So it means 2 people are in the live and 2 people gave it a thumbs up. Alright?
And me.
Well, that's it guys. I'm gonna hop off this live right now. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Just sharing a Sunday vibe with you guys. Chilling back here. Nice and quiet.
Daddy, are
Peaceful.
Daddy,
You know?
Are you going to put that on YouTube?
Yeah. So just enjoy yourselves guys. Enjoy your Sunday evening. Relax, recoup. You know, drink a lot of water.
Like me?
Like Ari, yes. And be ready for this upcoming work week. And if you work from home, you know, stretch your legs a little bit. Go for a walk. Come back in. Watch some movie or watch a movie.
Daddy,
Read
put them on
something.
you.
And you're right. Yeah guys, Ariana said I should turn the camera to do this closeout part. So I'm turning the camera. So let's start again. Alright guys, so I'm about to end the live right now. You know, was just showing you how I spend a Sunday, you know, relaxing, chilling, doing a little bit of reading here, watching a movie later on with the family. Just getting, you know, recoup my energy for this coming work week.
And think
You
of
guys
all
do the
of
same, you know. Drink lots of water, Ari.
And thank you a lot for watching our live.
And exactly. Thank you a lot for watching our live. And again, thanks for helping Sweet Mouth Kitchen to get to 2K, guys. 2,000 subscribers
I
and counting is a big deal. And I want to say thank you very much for that.
Thank
You know,
for me to reach 1K.
stay tuned, guys. We have lots more videos coming.
Bye.
Bye.
We're